guys, hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here is Bohembwe. Yeah guys, as you see this, I have my wife, loved one. Yeah, this is my wife guys. Yeah, I really appreciate you for all things that you have made for us by subscribing, by watching. Yeah guys, I appreciate. Also, thank God for protecting us from yesterday until today. I thank God. Yeah, guys, here I have my wife. Yeah, introduce yourself first.
Hello guys, I'm Mary Moses. Thanks.
Yeah, this is my wife. Yeah, guys, today I have a good surplus to you guys. Guys, please continue to watch this channel. Yeah, to boost this channel, guys, so that you can. Hi guys, continue to watch that channel Bohembwe so that you can support me guys. So even me, I have my WhatsApp number guys. So in description I have my WhatsApp number. You can contact me guys. You can even share to me guys. So here you see for now guys, we were preparing these times for lunch. Yeah, we want to prepare lunch. So guys, continue to watch this video guys. Today I have a good surprise to you guys. Yeah, thanks, and I really appreciate you. Much greeting to all people in YouTube. Thanks guys. For now we have a problem here guys. When we want to cook, we have a big challenge because we the when yesterday the lane leaned here, then we have a damage. You can see the way you are. This is the kitchen. You can see. Yeah, they pull up. You can see. Yeah, kitchen have been damaged. Yo, we can't use this kitchen. As you see, the kitchen has been bent. You can see. Yeah, you can see. So we have a problem here. Yeah, guys, as you see, let me show you. See here. Yeah, you see, guys, you can see. Yeah, the damage of lane. Yeah. So we have a problem or challenge. You can see here, guys. When you are using outside.
Ili battery mwangaza wongutsa bwana pregnant
Pregnant with her father. So pregnant, huh? Yeah. She is in 8th month. So for now we remove her for less, and you take that responsibility for helping her. So for now we need to start cooking guys. Just continue to see this video until the end. Don't forget for subscribing or watching guys. Please, when you want to support me guys, you can subscribe. So guys, I really appreciate. I need to start. Thanks.
African boy from Kenya, full of good vibes. Nobody African boy from Kenya, full of good vibes. Full of good vibes. Full of good vibes. Nobody African boy fella. Monga to fight for Lidigo Wella. Full of good vibes on Manidela. What do they learn on Manidela? I feel like I'm falling. them buare. Come with the African boy from Kenya, full of good vibes. Come with the African boy from Kenya, full of good vibes. Ah, full of good vibes. Ah, yeah, full of vibes.
Yes, guys, you can say when your wife having a problem, you can't help her, guys. We used to help us. Yeah, you can help your wife by cooking, by doing everything. All job in the house you can do it, because you have to choose that to marriage wife to be with you. You can help her for anything, guys. So here we're, we're living in the village life. You can see, yeah, this is Bohembo from Africa. Yeah, I'm come from Africa, Kenya. Yeah, guys, as you see, I can continue showing how I cook himself. Yeah, thanks, guys. Continue to watch, guys.
Why, Mama? Udah, 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 udah,